Hi guys, as you can see I have parts for two Barstools, and that's because I received a set of two Barstools for reviewing purposes. They've come, as you can see, disassembled and with all the pieces that you need to assemble them. So let's go ahead and start, well, assemble them, okay? You've got the instructions and everything, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see they are already assembled. I think they're really nice. The cushion feels necessary quality, and well, you can turn around all the way, which I think is nice if you can have it, well, at your dining table or where you want to place it. I think they will work perfectly, and it's really, really nice that you cut the pair, which is perfect. All the material feels of a really, really nice quality, and it's really, really soft. Overall, I think they are really, really nice. The design is beautiful, classy, vintage, and overall, I would really recommend them. See you guys.